Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cleaning and organizing my closet video. So I'm about to sit down and make a list of things I want to accomplish today because I'll show you guys the state that my room is in. This is embarrassing. This is my bed area. It's very unlike me to not make my bed. This is the floor area, clothes everywhere. And then my closet is also a mess. So in today's video, I wanna just kind of sit down and get my life back together because clearly my life is not doing well considering that my room looks like this. So most of the reason my room is messy is because there's clothes everywhere. So that's one of the things I'm gonna do is put away all these clothes before I start on my actual closet. All right, so my little to-do list is done. This is what it looks like, kind of proud. So I'm gonna be sharing everything I wanna do just so you guys have a little agenda set in your mind. So first I'm gonna hang up all the clothes that are just laying around on my floor. And then I'm gonna start a load of laundry because I just have some dirty clothes already in my dirty clothes bin, and also I know I'm gonna find some more on my floor. Then I want to pack up a return from American Eagle I have. If you guys saw the haul on my Instagram story, then you guys know what I'm talking about because some clothes I ordered did not fit me correctly. But if you guys haven't seen that, you can go on my Instagram at StephOliverYT, and I have a little highlight called haul, and you guys can watch my little clothing haul I did there. After that, I want to unbox a little PR package I have to do because I'm doing a brand deal with the brand coming up kind of soon. I need to start testing out the product and seeing if I like it. Then I'm gonna go in my closet and just take out all the empty hangers because I hate when there's empty hangers in the middle of the clothes. Then I'm finally gonna start off by going through my closet and figuring out what I want, what I don't want, and then I'm gonna make 3 piles, well I guess 4 piles. I'm gonna do Poshmark pile, a donate pile, a trash pile, and I don't know if it fits pile, and then the stuff that I don't think fit, which is probably my swimwear and my shorts because I don't wear those now. And I'm gonna try those on to see if they still fit, and that is everything. So that was very long to explain, but now you guys kind of know what I'm trying to do in this video. The first thing I'm gonna do is pick up all the clothes on my floor. Throughout this whole process, I'm gonna be jamming, so I'm gonna play my old throwback playlist, which is what's playing right now. So I have this whole playlist on my phone that's so freaking long, so I'm gonna be playing that. It's all of my car jams. Can't drive yet, but 43 hours and 25 minutes worth of songs. Hopefully this little closet transformation does not take me that long. That was a dad joke. It was so embarrassing. So let's go. Let's get rid of this mess. So all the clothes are picked up off my floor except for those clothes I have to make return to American Eagle, so I gotta go bring the box upstairs to package all that up to ship. The next thing I'm gonna do is put all my dirty clothes in a laundry basket and start a load of laundry. I'm kind of shocked. I really didn't have that much laundry, and yes, I wash all of my colors together. I've never had any issues with that, knock on wood. So I'm just gonna throw it all in one load and get it done. Set an alarm for 1 hour.
Done.
So my laundry is going, so I can check that off my list as well. I'm gonna start on my return, and I really don't know how to return to American Eagle because normally I just, go in the store and return stuff. Stores are closed. I think I just put everything in the box. I should probably read the instructions so I don't mess that up. Do I have to put all these papers in? I don't know. No. Let me make sure I'm actually returning the right stuff though, because I ordered a lot of jeans and I need to make sure I'm returning the right ones. Wow, everything fits so nicely. And then I just gotta cut this out. I think I just have to close it up, put this on top, tape it, and we're good. I don't have tape up here, so I'm gonna have to do that a little bit later. For now, the box is packed. Shift that aside. We can check laundry off the list and the American Eagle to return off the list. Now I just have to unbox something for a brand deal. So I'm just gonna do that off camera. This is done, so I'm going to throw the box aside, create more clutter, it's fine. but I can check that off. I'm getting super hot, so I'm gonna change into like a t-shirt or something, and then I'm gonna move on to the next thing. All right, I changed. I feel so much better, but the next thing I have to do is go through and just take out all the like empty hangers. For example, this one, I can take that out. I like to put my empty hangers here, but I think I'm gonna start moving them back to over here. I'm gonna do that. I don't think I have too many, so I'm just gonna do this off camera because it's like a waste of my camera battery. Okay, all that is done. Check it off the list, and now it's time to go through and actually like take out the clothes that I don't want and organize into like donate, Poshmark, trash, and things that I don't know if they fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
She's in love with who I am. I did have a zen, 13 hours till I land.
Why am I listening to this? I don't know. Halfway done. This part is finally done, so the stuff that's hanging on my door here is stuff that I don't know if it fits or not, or if I necessarily like it, so I gotta try it on, see how I feel. And then everything on the floor is either sell or donate. Love how there's like a cami, like that shows you how much I go through my closet. And I still haven't done like shorts and stuff. This stuff has been sitting here for like weeks because the shorts don't fit in the sweater. I don't know if I like it, so I gotta try that on, I guess, as well. I think it might be try on time. That's so exciting. Wow, can't wait. I'm also not changing my bra, so don't expect that. This top I think is cute. I just think that it's not really my style anymore, and I think someone else could get good use out of it. It is kind of worn though, so I think I'm just gonna donate it actually. This top is just a workout top. It's pretty like skin tight, and I don't think that it's really my style anymore because last summer, you know, I just flatter stomach, but now I just don't because I've been eating too much. But I think, obviously, I would sell this because it is like a good brand, but there's like a little spot somewhere on it right here, so I feel like I can't like sell that, so I'm just gonna donate this. This tank top is Nike, so it's obviously a good brand. There's nothing wrong with it. I just don't like it because it's skin tight and not in shape enough for that. You're gonna see that's a repeating theme, that I gained weight and now I don't like things fitting skin tight. But I'm gonna be selling this on Poshmark because it is a super good name brand and there's no issues with it. This is the same as like the lighter pink tank top I just tried on, but this one is in a gray color. And I'm gonna be selling this one on Poshmark because it is a good brand, as I said, and there's no issues with it. This next top you probably can't even see because I'm wearing navy leggings and a black bra, but it is a one shoulder top. There's like a spaghetti strap and it goes like this and like this, and it's a bodysuit that I'm too lazy to buckle, so I'm not gonna do that. I think this is so cute. I wore it to a concert last summer and like loved my outfit, but I don't think I like it anymore because I'm just not into like the whole one shoulder thing on my body anymore. It's not even that, it's just that I really just don't like bodysuits anymore and I'm kind of over them. And also this one isn't super like comfy or anything, so I'm gonna be donating this. This top, I did not think I was gonna like it, but I actually do like it. It is fitted, which as we know, we don't like that anymore, but I think it's still cute and it's not too much out of my comfort zone with some high-waisted shorts and suck in the tummy a little bit, and I think it'll be fine. I do like the collar and I like the cinch. I think it flatters like my top area pretty well, so I'm gonna keep it. This next top I'm gonna donate because I just feel like a baby when I wear this top. I don't know why. It just, the material is super like weird and like cheap and like costumey material. I still love gingham print, but I just feel like the sleeves are just kind of weird and they're kind of like cutting off my circulation and not the most comfortable. And I've worn this shirt like 2 or 3 times, but I feel like it's got its wear and it's time to go. LOL, this is inside out, but you get the gist. I don't really like high neck on me, but I like this shirt for some reason. So I'm gonna keep it. It's from Francesca's, if you're wondering. Okay, this top's from Zaful. I wore it like 2 summers ago. It was the cutest outfit ever. This is supposed to like tie in the back, but your girl can't tie by herself. So I'm gonna be getting rid of this because it doesn't fit my chest anymore. I'm like squeezing in here and I just think it's just, I don't know. I guess I'll sell this because it really is good quality. Oh, and there's matching shorts for this that I know do not fit me, so I'm going to be selling, I guess, like the whole set together. So if you want it, hit up my Poshmark. This next top is just a simple tube top. I'm gonna be keeping this and I'm super happy it fits me now because last summer I was like drowning in it, which again proves my point that that happened. I like this top a lot, and I like tube tops in the summer, so I'm just gonna keep it. This next little pullover is just a quarter zip that is from University of Texas. I got it like literally like probably 3 or 4 years ago at this point. I didn't think this fit me, but it kind of does. It used to be too tight on my arms, but you know, lost all my arm muscle. This video is just me degrading myself for like 20 minutes. So this top I am gonna keep. This nice for like a nice morning run or something, I don't know. This top I thought was super cute when I first got it. I got it from Tilly's at like the end of last summer and I haven't worn it yet, but I still think it's cute and it's like a little tight in the chest area, but I can like get over that. I'll like stretch it out or something. But for now, I'm keeping this. This is like a thicker long sleeve from UCLA. I swore I was gonna get rid of this when I pulled it out of my closet, but I actually kind of like it now. I'm keeping this. This top, I'm really just unsure about. Realistically, will I wear it again? Probably not. I'm just gonna donate this top. This top I was unsure about keeping because I always said this is gonna be like my party top. Like the very few times I've gone to parties, I said I was gonna wear it and I never do, but I'm just gonna keep it because you never know when I will need this. Okay, now that is done, check it off the list, and the next task I have to do is go through my shorts and my swimsuits and try on every single pair. So I really just do not know what fits me anymore, and that's gonna take a while, and it's not really fun to show on camera, number one, because it's swimsuits and that's weird, and number two, for the shorts, if something doesn't fit, why am I gonna be like, guys, doesn't fit me, like flexing? So I'm just gonna do this off camera and I'll come back in like 45 minutes. Okay, it's a little while later. I am finally done. So I tried on all my swimsuits. A lot of them didn't fit. Like a lot of the tops fit, but the bottoms didn't because it's got, we already know what I'm gonna say. That's a little bit sad. And my favorite triangle bathing suit I have to get rid of because the bottoms don't fit. The top fits good and everything. The bottoms don't fit and I'm so mad. That was like my favorite swimsuit. I'm gonna be selling that on Poshmark. And if it doesn't sell in like, I don't know, like a month, I'm just gonna give it to one of my friends because it's a good swimsuit. They don't sell it anymore and I'm so sad because it's so cute. But I'll show you guys what I got going on the floor. Okay, so right here is just my swimsuits that I have to put back in my closet. That's like nothing much. Those are all the softball pants that don't fit me anymore. That's so many pants. That is my Poshmark pile, the things I'm listing on Poshmark. Not those blankets, obviously, but all the swimsuits and the clothes. And the swimsuits I'm listing, besides the triangle, have never been worn and they all have tags, so keep that in mind. This pile is my donate pile, whether it's donate to a friend or donate to like a donation center. I'm gonna ask one of my friends if she wants any of these because like we're kind of like around the same size. And this is the last pile I have to go through. This is a pile that I just threw stuff out of my closet that I knew I didn't like or didn't fit. So I'm gonna organize that into either donate or Poshmark, and I guess throw out if it's like really bad. But I don't think I have any clothes that are like super bad, but let's get started on this. Okay, my piles are organized. So this is the stuff I'm going to ask one of my friends if she wants. This is the stuff I'm going to ask my other friend if she wants. Plus this, and then this skirt. I don't know which friend I should ask. I've kind of been doing like what would fit whose style, but this skirt, it's like a cute denim skirt, and I think it would fit both of them. I think I'm going to give it to this friend. Now I'm going to take pictures of these things, give sizes, and like ask if they want it, and if they don't, I'm just going to add it to the donate pile. I have my pictures for like the first person, so I'm gonna fold all this back up and then go on to the second person.
Jane, she's a lover like a pipe bomb. She's got the pink sunglasses, high heels.
All of the pictures are done, but I also realized I have this whole dresser right here, clothes I don't wear, so I'm gonna go through that and see if I can like find more donation stuff or stuff to sell, and so much fun. I can't wait to be done with this. I'm actually gonna do that part off camera because honestly, you guys have seen plenty of time lapses, so I think I'm just gonna come back when I'm like done with everything. Oh my god. I started filming at like 2. That is insane. My room is a mess, but everything is so organized and I feel so good. So let me take you guys through a little room tour. These are all the softball pants for my club team that don't fit me. I had so many pairs, so I feel like it's like a waste if I just throw them out. So I'm gonna see if anyone on my team wears my size, and if not, I don't think anyone does. I think everyone's like smaller. If anyone on my team does wear that size, I will give them some pants because I clearly have way too many. So that's the softball section. This is the stuff that I was trying to give to my friends, but they haven't answered yet. So if they don't don't want any of it, I'll just like donate it. This left pile is stuff I'm giving my friend Lindsay, and there might be more, I don't really know. This right pile is stuff I'm giving my friend Emma, and there also might be more, I'm not really sure. This is stuff I spent time listing on Poshmark, and there's literally so much and it takes so much time. And this is the donation pile. I am so proud there's so much of it, and there's gonna be more because half of this they're not gonna want, so that'll be added. And I'm so proud because I just like, I feel like David Dobrik, like I feel so good like donating to people, so love that for me. Okay, so I thought I would show you guys my little Poshmark closet because I actually have a whole separate closet just for Poshmark in my old bedroom. This is way better organized because now I know that every single thing in this closet has been listed on Poshmark, but in the past, if I just like didn't like something anymore, I would just throw it in here and I would have no idea what was posted on Poshmark, what wasn't. So now I would say 90% of this is posted on Poshmark. I just noticed those bottoms aren't on Poshmark, and I think that sweater isn't either. This section is what I'm proud of. On this bottom shelf, it's just mainly all of my swimsuits, and there's like one little jacket, but it's like the only jacket I'm selling. So I wrote a post-it that says swim. And then on this next little section, I have one that says short sleeves, one that says long sleeves, one that says bottoms. Okay, love how this camera doesn't focus. But I think this whole system is way better organized because now it's organized by like type of clothing. And this still is not the most organized, but I'm gonna leave that for a different day. Okay, so this huge garbage bag is like filled to the top, like jam-packed with all of my clothes I'm donating, and it really just makes me feel good that like it's gonna go to people that need it, especially during this like whole time with everything going on. This pile over here is going to one of my friends, and then that bag is going to one of my other friends. I just need to figure out what I'm gonna put all that stuff in because it won't fit in like that, obviously. But yes, everything on my to-do list is crossed out, and that never happens. I always kind of like give up halfway or something, so I'm proud of myself for that. And I hope you guys got some inspiration to go through your closet because I thought I had no clothes to get rid of. Apparently I was wrong. So I'm gonna go downstairs and eat because I'm literally starving, but thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Anything, just anything, I really don't care. And I'll see you guys next time I upload. Peace out.
This love has taken its toll.